Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I'm Charlotte. We are so happy to be here with you for episode 20.
Can you believe it, Charlotte? Episode 20. That is a big number.
Yes, and speaking of numbers, today is a very practical episode. We are going to talk about money.
Money. Everyone needs money. When you travel, you need to buy food. You need to buy tickets. You need to pay for the hotel.
Exactly. Today we will learn numbers from 1 to 100, and we will learn how to ask for the price.
If you want to go shopping in New York or London, this episode is for you.
Are you ready to count with us?
I am ready. Let us unlock our English.
Okay, Leo. Let us start with the numbers. I think everyone knows 1, 2, 3.
Yes, but the difficult numbers are the teenagers.
Teenagers?
Yes, the numbers from 13 to 19. They end in teen. T-E-E-N.
Ah, I see. Like 13, 13.
And 14, 14.
And 15, 15. Listen to the sound. 15. It is long. Teen.
Now let us look at the big numbers, the tens. 20, 30, 40.
These numbers end in ty. Tie. It is a short sound.
This is very important. Listen to the difference. 15 is 15. 50 is 50.
Let us practice. I say the big number, you repeat it. Ready?
Ready.
30, 30,
30,
40, 40,
40,
50, 50.
50.
Very good. So if you go to a shop, listen carefully. Is it $15 or $50?
That is a big difference in money.
Okay, now we know the numbers. Imagine we are in a shop. We see a nice t-shirt. We want to buy it. What do we ask?
We use the phrase, how much?
This is our first key phrase today. How much?
How much?
This phrase means, what is the price? What is the cost?
You can point at the t-shirt and say, how much is this?
Let us practice. Repeat after me. How much is this?
Again, how much is this?
Perfect. Now imagine the assistant answers you.
They will say a price. For example, $20.
But usually prices have cents too, like numbers after the dot.
There are two ways to say the price, the long way and the short way.
Let us look at a price. Imagine it is $20.50.
The long way is $20.50.
That is correct. But native speakers are lazy. We like the short way.
The short way is just the numbers. You say 20.50.
20.50. It is very fast.
Let us try another one. Imagine the price is $9.99.
The short way is $9.99.
$9.99.
Listeners, repeat that. $9.99.
Excellent. So if you hear two numbers, it is the price.
Okay, Leo, we know the price. Now we need to pay.
Yes, there are two common ways to pay.
The first way is with paper money. This is called cash.
Let us learn that word. Cash.
C-A-S-H. Cash.
Cash is physical money, bills and coins in your hand.
Example 1. I have $50 in cash.
Example 2. Do you pay with cash?
Listeners, repeat the word cash.
Very good. But today, many people use plastic
Yes, we use a credit card.
or a debit card. But let us focus on card.
When you pay, the assistant might ask cash or card.
And you can answer, card, please.
Simple. Cash or card.
Now, Charlotte, sometimes we look at the price and we say, oh no, that is too much money.
Yes. When the price is high, we use the word expensive.
This is a very useful adjective. Expensive.
Expensive. Expensive.
Expensive means it costs a lot of money.
A Ferrari is expensive. A diamond is expensive.
Example 1. This hotel is too expensive.
Example 2. I don't have money for expensive clothes.
Listeners, repeat the word expensive.
And the opposite? If the price is low?
If the price is low, it's good. We say cheap.
Cheap. Like a bird sound. Cheap, cheap.
C-H-E-A-P. Cheap.
Cheap means it doesn't cost much money.
A pencil is cheap. A banana is cheap.
Example 1. This t-shirt is very cheap. It's only $5.
Example 2. I like cheap food.
Listeners, repeat the word cheap.
So we have expensive and cheap.
Leo, let us do a role play, a small theater.
I love theater. Who am I?
You are the shop assistant. I am the customer. I want to buy a hat.
Okay. Welcome to my shop.
Hello, I like this hat. How much is this?
That hat is $45.50.
$45.50. That is a little expensive.
It is a very good hat. But look at this red hat.
How much is the red hat?
The red hat is $10.99.
Oh, $10.99. That is cheap. I will take it.
Great. Cash or card?
Cash, please. Here is $20.
Thank you.
Did you understand, listeners? It was a simple transaction. You can do this too. Next time you travel, go to a shop and practice.
Leo, let us review our key words for today. Okay, number 1, the question for the price.
How much is this?
Number 2, the physical money.
Cash.
Number 3, when the price is high.
Expensive.
Number 4, when the price is low.
Cheap.
And don't forget the numbers, 13 versus 30.
15 versus 50.
You guys are doing amazing.
Leo, do you have a motivational quote for us?
Yes, this quote is about value. It's from Warren Buffett.
Oh, a very rich man. What did he say?
He said, "Price is what you pay. Value is what you get."
I like that. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get.
Sometimes learning English feels expensive. Expensive in time, expensive in effort.
But the value you get is huge. You get communication, you get travel, you get friends.
Exactly. So keep investing in your English.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Go count some money today. Practice your numbers.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.